On my old flame, watching my page, say they miss what I gave them. I'm doing fine now, I feel amazing, I'm out of their range. Keep them guessing when they ask about us. Don't give them no time, that's how we stay up.
How we up, but you stay down. Real from the app, better pay out. Spending time wind down, what is takeout? And when I'm in them walls, you feel it in your bones. I've been on the road, this choke that I hold on your soul got me making up for days out. Got you singing tones till you laid out. It feel like what we are never fade out.
Fade out, fade out.
Maybe you only want what you can't have. Never seem to be satisfied till it all goes bad. Maybe I should just give someone else a chance. Why should I sit alone and be sad while you fumble the best you ever had? It's not fair to me or my heart. I was forced to start over when we fell apart. Could've had it all, but you pushed me right into his arms. You wanted to break, I wanted to stay. Look what you made me give my love away. You made a mistake. Say that you've changed, but it's too late. I gave my love away. The facts. You're the one who left. I just quit taking you back. Maybe I should just give someone else a chance. Why should I sit here waiting on you? I am enough forever or never type of it's not fair to me or my heart. I was forced to start over when we fell apart. Could've had it all, but you pushed me right into his arms. You wanted to break, I wanted to stay. Look what you made me give my love away. Hey, you made a mistake. Say that you've changed, but it's too late. I gave my love away. Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, than good, kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Living free, wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. 'Cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, more than good, kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Brave, 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 brave. Oh, more than good, kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and doing amazing. So yeah, welcome to another vlog. We're vlogging today. You guys know how I feel about vlogging. I need to stop smiling so hard. Yeah, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for always coming back and supporting your girl. Thank you so much. Yeah, so welcome to this vlog. So today is Saturday and I have a couple of things to do today, and I just wanted to obviously take you guys along with everything that I'm doing today. Typically what I do on a Saturday is just clean. If I have to, a lot of the time I do that like Friday evening. Is it just me that like to clean like in the evening? I don't know, I tend to do that most of the time, like in the evening, but I still like wake up early to still clean. But then I know I'm not doing too much Saturday morning. I hope that makes sense. But I just like to make sure that my Saturday is not, in terms of like cleaning the house, like there's not too much to do. It's just like, you know, pretty much just very easy, like very easy for me to clean. So that's pretty much what I've done this morning that you guys saw earlier today. Anyways, I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're all good. Life has been lifing, you know, so much. But in everything, God says we should give thanks, so that is what I'm doing. But yeah, so I'm just going to let you guys know what I'm doing today. Just pretty much let you guys know what the vlog will be all about, and then give you guys like a little update as well. But before I go ahead with a run through of what I'm doing today, I just want to give a big shout out to Zims, right? I'm gonna leave her name on the screen. So Zims gave me a shout out on her channel, and I'm not gonna lie, like it got me to 150 subscribers. So basically she gave me a shout out on her channel, and I've been meaning to do this, you know, because I did have some vlogs that I put out there, but you know, it was a travel vlog, so I did mention it briefly in the vlog, but I did not you know, say it like in depth. So I felt like anytime I do another video, I am going to obviously just appreciate her. She's a South African YouTuber, so she gave me a shout out. With my subscribers count, I used to be on 150 subscribers, and then I posted a video which like really did so well. I'm gonna leave a link down below and just leave a card up here for you guys. So it's my how to look expensive on a budget video, and that video did so well. It literally got me over 150 subscribers. So I went from like 150 to like over 300 subscribers. So when Zim's Right gave me that shout out, that was literally like the second blow up for me. So I gained about over 150 subscribers as well. So I went from like 300, over 300 subscribers count, to over 400. Does that make sense? So yeah, so I'm super grateful to Sims Right for giving me the shout out, and to all of my SA girlies, thank you so much for being a part of my family. And please do make sure that you engage, you leave me a comment, you like the video, and let me know what you think about my videos, and also check out my old videos. Okay, thank you so much. So I just really wanted to do that before I get on with this vlog. Okay, I'm hoping that I'm not missing anything, because you guys know I like to write them down. Let's see. So what I'm doing today is, guys, we finally got a smart TV. I'm gonna give you guys a backstory about the TV, right? So with the TV, yeah, you guys know, like a few weeks back we went somewhere to check for the TV, and I found exactly the one that I wanted. So when it was not time for me to get it, it was discontinued. Can you imagine? Like that particular TV, which is Hisense, I'm gonna leave a picture for you guys. It's called Hisense, and it's a 55, the one that I'm showing you guys now, and it got discontinued literally when I went there to check for it. So they were like, oh, this model has been discontinued, so they have like new model. And at the time, the one that I wanted to get, which is the one I've shown you guys, it was the 55 and was being sold for like 329, right? So now with the new model, it literally went up to like extra 200 quid, which is now being sold for like 520, not even 529, like it was over 200 pounds. So it's not being sold for like, I think it was 549. So can you imagine? But with the new model. So I was like, no ways, because my budget for the TV was like around 300, 350. So I was like, oh my gosh. So now that I wanted to get the TV, it's being discontinued. So what am I going to do? And I really like that particular TV. So I then started looking at LG or Samsung. And those ones are quite pricey. Literally like the 50 of Samsung or LG, they are like about 6, 7, 8. Yes, they're so pricey. But I just feel like if I have to settle for LG or Samsung, I would have to then go for like, say, a 43-inch, which is not the size that I really wanted, especially because you guys have seen my TV unit is quite big. So I needed like a 50 or 55-inch TV. So I was like, oh my gosh, I might have to just settle for a 43, even though I don't want that. So when I went into the store, one thing about me is I deliberate a lot, okay, especially when I want to buy things obviously of such value. I would think about it like, okay, what can I do? Because they told me that, and I was like, I really like that particular TV. I don't want to buy the new model because it's too expensive. And I'm just like, what am I going to do? I really need it to be a 50 or 55. The TV is actually there, so it's been here for like 2 weeks, but because I had an issue with my camera, so I've not been able to like film this vlog for you guys. But anyway, so I went into the store. So I stayed, I was like going around, I was looking around, I was like, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? What am I going to do? So and then I went online, and then I checked the TV, just like, okay, let me just see. So the 50, right, with the new model is being sold for 429. Is it 429? Yeah, it's being sold for 429. So is it 429? No, it's being sold for like almost 500 pounds. So I was like, okay, and then I kept on looking at it, and then I kept on looking at it. So and then I scrolled down, and then I saw there's a discount code of £150 off. So I'm like, wait a minute, £150 off. And then I went to somebody in the store and I was like, oh, can I buy this TV with this discount? They're like, oh yeah, you can. So I was like, oh, can I? And they said yes. I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it. So with the discount, it's gonna go down to the price that I wanted to get it, which is gonna go down to my budget, which is 300 to 350. So I was like, oh, that is perfect. So I was able to get it anyways, just not to keep rambling. I was able to get it for the price that I wanted with the discount, and it was the new model. So I was super excited that that happened. Okay, that I got the exact TV that I wanted, the brand that I wanted, and I got the inch, because apparently the 55 is actually really big, really wide. So I was so happy that I went for the 50 inch. But anyway, so that's pretty much it. And I picked up a couple of things as well from Amazon that I'll show you guys. And I also popped into the store. It's called Dunelm. I got a vase that I'm going to show you guys as well. So I'm just going to show you guys what I picked up recently, and then we're just going to put all of that together. So that's pretty much what I'm doing today. And then after everything, I'll be going for rehearsals, and then when we come back in the evening, I'm just gonna make dinner and then just chill. Let's get the TV set up, and then I will show you guys what I picked up from Amazon. So that's pretty much it.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do. Yeah, you can love me better than you. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about. Tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good love and something that I know you cannot give me. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than like. He can do me better. He can do me better than you. He love me better than you do. Yeah, you. He love me better than you. It's like we're stuck. You won't grow up, and I'm getting tired of waiting. It's like we're stuck. You won't grow up, and I'm getting tired. I'm tired of waiting for you to make your move. He can love me better than you. He can love me better than you. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better. He can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better. He can do me better than you. He love me better than you do. Yeah. He love me better than you. Love me better than.
And this is my TV box, so it's from Virgin Media, so we are going to set that up now. So I'm just gonna get scissors. Hey guys, so with the box I feel like it's taking a lot of time. So what I would do is I think I would sort it out when I get back from rehearsal. So now I'm just going to show you guys what I picked up from Amazon. So I picked up this book. It's called I Was Raised to Be Mammy, Now I Want to Be Me. So that's what it looks like, and that's the, let's see, it's right there. So yeah, I think I got, so usually my book recommendation would come from Dima Ome. I'm sure a lot of you guys know her, and if you don't, she's a Nigerian YouTuber. Like, Dima is someone that when it comes to books, I would read anything she said. Her and Shirley B. Enyang. So Shirley is also a YouTuber based in London. Yeah, so if it's not from Shirley, then it's definitely from Dima. But I don't know if this was from Dima. I think so. But yeah, so that's the new read that I'm adding to my collection. And these are also the new ones that I got. Well, they're not new, but they are the one that I got before this one. So this one I've read this one, and this one I haven't. So I think I might read this before this one. I'm not sure, before the Mammy. But I think this definitely got recommended by Dima, and this one I think her as well. If not her, I think I saw this on Instagram. But yeah, so these are also from Amazon, by the way, but this is the new read. Yeah, so that, and also I got this. So these are, I think they are called gypsophilus. I'm gonna put the name on the screen. They're called gypsophilus flowers, so they're the artificial ones. So I wanted a new vase for my coffee table. So you guys know this used to be on there, but this is on my dining now. I got a vase. So when I went to buy my TV, I checked Dunel. I haven't been to the store in a while, so I decided to check there. So, and funny enough, this vase, I have been meaning to get it for the longest time, but I haven't seen it. And you guys know I always go to the range, but I've never found this there. So they have it. I saw this on Dio Gracious Dube. She's a South African YouTuber. I saw it in one of her vlogs, and I fell in love with it, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna get this. And ever since then, it's been like months now, but I haven't found it. But I'm so glad I found it at Dunel, and it's just £8, and it's really nice. It's so nice. I might get one more just to have one around the kitchen, and this is definitely going on the coffee table because I don't have any vase currently on the coffee table. So it's really nice. So the plan is obviously that one, it's got stuff in it, so we might just do it together now. So these are the gypso whatever flowers. I'm just hoping they come out really nice. I'm gonna insert a picture of what it looks like on Amazon. Okay, so I'm hoping this will come out nicely, because I will be so pissed. I might need to cut it, but I don't know how much I have to cut. So you get, this was 12 or 13 pounds. So you get like 4, right? You get like 4. It says 12 pieces. So yeah, you get 3 or 4 pieces. Oh, you get 3. So you get 3 or 4 of them, and we're gonna try that now, and hopefully that works. I'm just gonna put this away. The whole place is a little bit of a mess, but I might actually get back to sort everything out. So what do I want to do? This actually seems reusable. Anyways, is there anything else? Yeah, I think I bought something else, but I can't remember. So let's try this. So this is 1, and I'm just gonna measure it. I don't know how. Do I want it this way? So let's say, I don't want to fold them. I'm just gonna cut it from this one. Oh, this is gonna be, oh my days. Okay, I need the thingy. You know this one that they use? There's this one they use in cutting. This is just the normal scissors. Okay. This is just the normal scissors. So what I would do is, for now, I'll just bend it like that. So we'll see what come up with. So just like that. It's because I don't want the inside to be showing, like, you know. So I'll do it properly. So we'll see what it comes out. Like that. Whew. Okay, that's a bit low. That is a bit low. This is why I prefer like real flowers. Because I mean, come on, come on. Okay, 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 okay. It's not bad. It's not bad. Oh, they look nice. They look so good. Should I make it a bit higher? So have some that I'm gonna pop up a bit, and then you can always, like, you know, spread it out. Okay, okay, okay. Actually, it's not bad, you know. It's giving that crisscross, you know, vibe. Oh, we need to take that 8 pound off. Let's see, let's see. Okay, just need to, like, oh, I wish they were like this actually. They're a bit like, no, I think they're good like that. So let's see where we can put this one. Oh, that looks good. That looks really good. Oh, that looks nice. Can you see? I'm still gonna have to get rid of that, but that looks really good. Let's put that on the table and just see what it looks like. Please ignore that mess. That's just the boxes that when I get back I'm gonna sort out. So look at that. That looks good. Also, I need to get like new diffusers. We're gonna stop by at the range on my way to church just to get the same one. Like this smells so amazing. But this is what it looks like. So that's pretty much it. I don't know if I'm missing anything. I'm not sure, but right now I'm just gonna head to church for rehearsal, and then when we get back I'm going to sort out the box, because I'm hoping to at least, you know, watch some TV this evening, you know, while we cook, make dinner, and also just chill, you know. So that's pretty much it. I'm not sure I'm missing anything, but that's it for now. Guys, it's so cloudy outside. It's so cloudy. It's even raining. Oh, Manchester. But anyways, so I'll speak to you guys when I get back. Like I said, after rehearsal I'm going to stop by at the range just to pick up some candles and just a new diffuser, and then we'll get back, make dinner, finish up the TV. It's so big, the 50. I didn't know it was gonna be this big. But anyways, yeah, so that's pretty much it, and I will speak to you guys later. So guys, I'm just gonna throw this on because I don't want to like change, because it might be a little bit cold outside, so I can't really wear this, and I'm wearing a short as well. This jacket on, at least it will keep me a bit warmer, because it's, let me even check. Oh, it actually did not rain, because it was showing on my weather that it was drizzling, well, raining. So maybe that's a different city. That's a bit weird. What city was that? Manchester. That's crazy. Yeah. Anyways, so I'll see you guys when I get back. Good though. Now you're putting on your glasses. I'm going to the range now, guys. My hair looks a mess. Wait, what? Oh, I was gonna say, where's my bag? Okay. Let me mesh. Not me looking all crusty. But anyways, guys, it's been a long day, so I finished off from rehearsal. I think when I get home I'm going to speak to you guys. It's raining as well. I'm at my pastor's house. I came with one of my sisters and we're here. We stayed like a bit longer. We had to do some shopping. It was a lot, but I think I would just speak to you guys when I get home. It's raining now, so I'm not sure you guys will be able to hear me clearly, and you guys can see from my face as well. I'm super tired, but I'll let you guys know what we're gonna do, because I think I will continue this vlog. I wanted to end it today edited, but I feel like that would be too much as well. So but I'll let you guys know what we're gonna do when I get home. It's gonna take me 30 minutes. It's currently 8 o'clock right now. It's gonna take me 30 minutes to get home, so let me just start going. Yeah, let me show you guys actually. So as you can see, yeah, it's raining. So yeah, I think I'll speak to you guys when I get home. Then I'll let you guys know what we're gonna get to do for the rest of the evening, and obviously I am going to be continuing the vlog. See you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm back home now. You can tell I'm super tired. So so what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue the vlog tomorrow, also just to obviously make me have time, because the plan was to get home, make dinner, and then edit the vlog tonight and then post it for you guys tomorrow, which is, you know, you guys know Sunday is my upload days, but Monday is a public holiday, which is so good. So I would have to upload this vlog on Monday, so I'll carry it on till tomorrow, and yeah, I'll carry it on till tomorrow, have that evening to vlog, to edit, and then upload it for you guys on Monday. So that's the plan. I'm not going to be ending it tonight. We'll carry on tomorrow. So so what I want to do now is I'm going to carry on with setting up the TV. Oh, she looks so good. I'm just hoping I'm able to like sort it out tonight so I can just, you know, watch some movies. So basically what happened is, after rehearsal, we were having a chat, you know, my choir, you know, the choir in my church, like there's no dull moments. Like everyone is just, we're just like a big family. Like, yeah, it's just so, I don't know, like they're just very amazing people, you know. So and that's why I usually, a lot of the time when I have like a plan after rehearsals, a lot of the time it doesn't really go as planned, because you know sometimes we stay back to talk, to laugh, you know. It's just really interesting. But anyways, rehearsal was so good today. So after rehearsal, I went with some of them to a shop, and then we did some shopping, and then we went to our pastor's house, and then we were watching football, and then we had some food. So obviously I couldn't come back home and then, you know, and do all of the things that I need to do. Hoping this vlog will not be so long, because I'm trying to not make it long, but especially when you have to give updates in between, I feel like they just make the vlog even longer, because you want to give updates and everything. But anyways, so that's what happened today. And what I also did is, on my way I had to stop at Tesco to get some things for tomorrow as well. So one of our church members, she's also a member of the choir, so they are relocating to Canada. So we want to do like a get together, like a, you know, mini celebration for them. So a lot of people volunteered food and everything, so I decided I was going to bring salad, so I had to go to the store to get that. And I was so glad I remembered, because I literally forgot, and I won't be able to get them in the morning because I need to be in church at 9:30. So that's where I was coming from, and that's why literally I got home even later. I think it's about 9 o'clock now. Where's my phone? Yeah, should be around 9 now. Yeah, so I'm gonna make this salad in the morning, and then I'll take it to church with me. So what we are going to do is, I'm not going to end the vlog, but I'm going to obviously see you guys tomorrow. But tonight I'm going to try, and one thing about me, I would make sure I sort that out before I go to bed. Like, I'm tired, but I really just want to get it out of the way. So tomorrow, what we're going to do is, I've got church in the morning as usual. So when I get back from church, we're going to then chill. And then obviously in the evening on that Sunday, we're going to make dinner, you know. Oh, this is so pretty, man. This is so lovely, guys. Look at that. It's just really nice. It's really nice. I would really like to get the real plants of this. I don't know where I can find it, but I know they would have it. But like the you know, the real one. It's just really nice. These are my favorite plants. Yeah, Geophyllus, GP I don't know what it's called, but it looks so nice on the coffee table. But yeah, so I'm just gonna shower. I think I did a mask today, so I don't know if I should do this. So I got this from Tesco yesterday. It's from the brand called Balance. So it's a collagen mask, and yeah, that's pretty much what it looks like. So I might do that tonight, just to obviously distress, you know, my face. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not sure if I'm missing anything, because I feel like there's something I want to tell you guys. I'm not sure. I also got invited somewhere to another church, so I need to, from my church, go to that church and then go back to my church for that get together. My weekends are like, I feel like sometimes my weekend feels like weekdays. Like, they're just so packed. They're just so packed with activities, and most of the time it's just like church activity, and I'm not really complaining, but you know, it is what it is. You guys remember I did mention that I was going to stop at the range and get some candles and diffusers, because we need to change this one. This is my favorite scent, the white musk and warm vanilla. Like, it's just my favorite one, so I need to change that. So let me show you guys the one that I picked from the range, and then I'll close off today, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. But let me show you guys before we end it for today. Okay. So that's just McDonald's. I had to stop by, even though we went somewhere else to eat, because I was impatient and I was getting hungry, so I had to. So these are just the salad thingy that I bought. So this is what I bought from the range. So this is called the Bergamot and Amberwood, and this is a diffuser. So that's what it looks like. Let me see if I can open it and show you guys. So I really wanted this reed because we used to have the black one, so I wanted this color just to match with my what's it called, let me show you, just to match with this gold. I haven't burnt this candle, you guys remember it, but I don't know, I'll burn it soon. I think I will soon. But yeah, like I said, I want the reed to match that, and I've not had this type of reed. This is quite big. Nice. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So it's called, that's the name. So it's from True Aroma. Most of my fragrance, my diffusers, candle, they are usually from True Aroma. They have like the best and they last long. They're from the range. So I also got a True Aroma candle like that. So that's what it looks like. It's the 3 burner ones, and this one is also Bergamot and Amberwood, so they're just the same fragrance. And I really wanted this color as well, just to, you know, match with the aesthetic of my coffee table. And you know what, guys, I am going to, where's the reed? Okay, you know what, I'll do that later. So the other thing that I got, I have been eyeing this. So this is a new brand, okay, from Tesco. So it's called Chapter B Carafe. So like they have a whole session. I should have actually captured it for you guys. It is so, like, everything in that section is just so pretty. Like, it's giving luxury and, you know, expensive and fancy, and yeah, it's just really nice. So they had this. I even wanted to pick 2 of this, but I had to take one. This was £8 from them. They have really amazing stuff. Like, it's so nice. So this is really nice. Like, it's just really nice. It's just really nice. So this is a jug, like a juice, like, you know, when you have guests or when I'm just myself as well. Just, you know, have your mocktail in it, and then, you know, so it's really nice. I'm so tempted to buy another one to make it 2, but I think I might just stick to 1. Yeah, but it's just really nice, guys. Like, look at the details. I don't know if you guys can see it, but can you see it? It's just so, like, unique. And this is not the only thing they have that is so nice. Like, everything on there. I'll see if I go there tomorrow and just capture. I wanted to capture something for you guys and just show you guys what it's like. But I mean, a lot of the things in that section are quite expensive, but yeah, this was just the only thing I just wanted to pick up anyways, and I wasn't ready to buy anything else because it's so expensive. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The rest of the things in there are just for the salad, and yeah.
You made a mistake. Say that you've changed, but it's too late. I gave my love away. The facts. You're the one who left. I just quit taking you back. Maybe I should just give someone else a chance. Why should I sit here waiting on you? I am enough forever or never type of, it's not fair to me. we fell apart. Could've had it all, but you pushed me right into his arms. You wanted to break, I wanted to stay. Look what you